Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Danny from Dahua Overseas Business Center. In the digital age, we depend on our phones for convenience and ease. It keeps us entertained and connected with the world around us. We use them for ordering food, shopping online, watching unboxing videos. So why not use them to stay connected to your home security? What if I told you Dahua has a kit that allows you to put your home security at your fingertips? Introducing the Dahua Wireless Alarm Kit. Here's the product box of the Dahua Wireless Alarm Kit. You can see the model number here. The dimensions of the product box are 356 millimeters by 196 millimeters by 104 millimeters with a weight of 1.4 kilograms. This kit offers products that adopt an all-new industrial design and advanced technologies to achieve more convenient installation and a better appearance. The products also feature reliable RF technology such as frequency hopping, two-way communication, and AES 128 encryption algorithm, ensuring the communication's stability and security. There are many wonderful products included in this kit, so let's start unboxing. Here we go. So this is what it looks like on the inside. As you can see, this kit contains 4 different product boxes. It includes the alarm hub, the wireless PIR detector, a wireless key fob, and the wireless door detector. All the devices in this kit use wireless communication and a built-in lithium battery, meaning there's no need for complicated construction wiring. This makes installation more convenient and faster. It's especially suitable for sites that have already been wired or those that have no embedded cables. With the mobile apps, DMSS for end users and COS Pro for installers, you can configure, control, and manage your devices, receive real-time notifications, perform remote operations, and more. I'm really excited to unbox all of these, so let's take it one box at a time. So let's start with the alarm hub. Its model number is here. Let's open it up. Here's how it looks when you open it. On the top, you'll see the alarm hub. Underneath that is a pack of screws, an Ethernet cable, the user's manual, and a legal information booklet. Next to that is the power adapter. Let's talk about the alarm hub and some of its features and functions. The alarm hub presents a new, sleek, and compact design. Its dimensions are 163 millimeters by 163 millimeters by 32 millimeters with a net weight of 0.38 kilograms. It comes in a polycarbonate and ABS casing, which is ideal for indoor scenarios. As the core of the wireless alarm system, the alarm hub can connect up to 150 peripherals. It also supports Ethernet dual-band Wi-Fi, which can enhance Wi-Fi connection, and GPRS, 3G, and 4G networking modes that ensure connectivity if the network is cut off. It also provides alarm push notifications via mobile app, SMS, or phone call. Furthermore, it can also communicate with Dahua XVR or NVR and realize linkage as long as their networks are connected. That's it for the hub. Let's check out the other products. Here is the wireless PIR detector. Let's see what's inside. After removing the seals, it just slides out. The first thing you can see is the PIR detector. Just under the detector is a pack of screws. Behind the detector is double-sided adhesive tape, the user's manual, and the legal information booklet. The detector has a built-in battery that lasts up to 4 years for quick installation and a temperature sensor. It uses passive infrared technology to detect the movement of a human body in the area and uses intelligent algorithm to provide pet immunity of up to 18 kilograms. Up next is the wireless key fob. Let's get to it, shall we? After removing the seals, just slide it out. And the first thing we see is the wireless key fob itself. Underneath the key fob is a small lanyard, the user manual, and the legal information booklet. This device controls the hub. It has a built-in battery with a life of up to 5 years. As you can see, the key fob has 4 buttons: home mode, arming, disarming, and SOS that can act as a panic button, sending an alarm signal to the alarm system. Lastly, we have the wireless door detector. Let's go. So the first thing we see is the door detector. Underneath it are 2 packs of screws. There are also 2 pieces of double-sided adhesive, a cable, the user manual, and the legal information booklet. This device has a built-in lithium battery that lasts up to 5 years and a temperature sensor. The on-off switch can be found on the back of the connector with the indicator light. It has a detection gap of up to 40 meters and can also be utilized as a window detector. It also supports the integration of third-party wired connectors. Wow! So there you have it. All these products are included in the Dahua wireless alarm kit to provide convenient and reliable security. As previously stated, these products offer reliable RF technology such as frequency hopping, two-way communication, and AES 128 encryption, while the Alarm Hub supports multiple networking modes, push notifications, and interconnection with Dahua XVR or NVR. With their wireless communication and built-in batteries, the devices can be quickly and easily installed and even integrated with third-party wired systems. Also, the DMSS mobile app lets you stay easily connected to your alarm system to perform multiple tasks such as remote operations, device configuration and management, real-time notifications, and more, making this kit ideal for villas, offices, and retail scenarios. But wait, there's more. An optional accessory to the wireless alarm system is the Dahua wireless siren. When any of the preset linkage events such as alarm, tamper, etc. are triggered, the siren emits a piercing sound to alert local guards or deter intruders, making it a valuable add-on to any wireless alarm system. This particular product offers the same convenience as the other products, as well as 3 different levels of volume adjustment that can be controlled via the app. Once again, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification icon to get notified every time we post a new update. Also, you can follow our official social media accounts right here. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a safer society and smarter living.